Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here with a little BB craft, a fun BB craft unboxing. So as you can see, I've already unboxed them, the goodies, and I'm going to show you what I picked out this time. BB Craft has a website, bbcraft.com, which I will have linked below. I will have all the products that I picked out here linked below, and plus a coupon code where you can get $5 off $40 or more. And BB Craft also has a YouTube program, which is what I'm involved in, where if you have 100 subscribers or more, you can apply to be in their BB Craft program. You pick out, a certain number or a certain amount of products, dollar wise, and demonstrate. You do an unboxing and 2 demonstration videos. So it's a lot of fun, and you get try out some free products, and then you get to keep the products and use them in your own crafts. So what I picked out this time was, I knew I was going to be working on this sunflower journal right here, the one I did a video on a few days ago, where I was picking out the pages. And I'm going to show you, I already used a few flowers in there, but I picked out these pretty little, they're flower charms, and they're so pretty, and I just really I saw the sunflowers and I wanted those. Like, here's one of the sunflowers, and then there's lots of other flowers in here. I mean, look how cool these are. I love them. Really cool. And the pink and the green and the red. Let's see, here's like a little daisy. And let's see, I got an orange one, pink one. Did I show you? Let me make sure I showed all of them to you, because there's several in here. And oh, here's a little daisy. Isn't that cute? See the little centers? They're raised, and they're all metal. They all have a little loop on them, so you can tie them on the strings in the middle of your journal. You can make little bead dangles or use them on tassels. You can make earrings out of them, because I think there's 2 of each. So yes, I got that, and I'm going to show you what I did with these. Are what I used in my journal, so I'll show you those in a second. So hold on for that. But also Valentine's Day is coming up, so I kind of would like, I haven't made a Valentine's journal in a few years. I don't know how many years it's been. I know I made one once or twice, but maybe only once since I've been making journals. So kind of was thinking about making a Valentine journal this year. And so these are little hearts. So let me just show you. There's white in this little zip. Look at this little Ziploc bag. How tiny. It's so cute. Oh, by the way, this all came to, everything from BB Craft comes packaged very well. All this was in a bubble envelope, all inside this Ziploc bag, so I get to reuse that. I always do. And then these were all, this was like this, I believe, but these were all wrapped in plastic and a little label on here, besides this little plastic box that you get to keep for organizing, keeping these in. And when you're done, when it's empty, you can use it for organization in your craft room. But I just want to show you the different colors. These are little tiny hearts. I'm going to take some out in a second. I just want to show you the different colors. They have a gold metal base, and then these are black. These are a light pink, and these were the white. I think I already showed you those. And then these are red. So how handy are those for Valentine's? So you can make little earrings out of these, or incorporate them in with something bigger that you're hanging on an earring, and then also a little heart, or in your bead dangles. And these would be great for hanging on strings, because they're not very big. They won't bulk up your journal. Or on little bead dangles and little charms that we like to make. So let me just dump some of these out of here and show you a few of these little cutie pies. They're so cute. They look like ladybugs. But look how see their little hearts. Wouldn't that be cute in a Valentine journal? Awesome, right? I thought they were so cute. And I like to work with little charms like that in my journals. So, and there's a lot there. As you can see, you get a lot. I mean, I don't know how many's in each bag, but by the time you count out all of them, there are probably at least 100 there. And then I picked out these little, these are like little, let me show you. Let me just show you. First of all, there's a bunch. And these are all, let me see if are these gold? I think these are all, or maybe they're silver. It's hard to tell in this light. Let me see. Maybe they're gold and silver. Sure. Let me see. I think they are gold. Yeah, I think they're gold metal. Anyway, what they are is little, like, there's a little bee in here, and as you can see, there's a little butterfly, and they're all charms. They all have a little loop on to hang them from something. And again, the same thing is what I had in mind. Earrings, bead dangles, the center strings in your journal, you know, just all that kind of stuff. So here's look at this bee. This one's kind of a bulkier bee, but let me just see if I can hold it up for you. It almost looks like, you know, it's like 3D instead of flat. And then so we've got a pink butterfly, just different colors of butterflies. See, there's even different colors of bees in here. There's a pink one, pink and black, and that's yellow and black. Let me see what else. That's the 3D bee. There's like little blue, there's some dragonflies in here. I think I just showed you one dragonfly. Was that one white? And then like here's a blue one. Well, that's not the blue one. That's like a yellow or gold one. I was growing for the blue one. Where'd it go? But so cute, and you get a bunch, and it's just so fun. These are going to be so fun to work with. Here's a black butterfly. I mean, dragonfly. Get my fly straight, right? Okay, so anyway, you get the idea. So cute. I love them. There's so many in there. And then I got these, possibly for tassels, but also I have a jewelry channel, which I'll be using some of these on. Jewelry Crafts with Sheree. In case you're not subscribed, get over there and subscribe. Go do it right now before you forget. But yeah, I thought these would be fun, either on tassels to spell out something. You know, on a couple of strings, I've seen people do that. I've never done it, and I thought that would be so, I always think that's so cute. So, you know, to spell out a word like sunflower or something, you know, Christmas, Merry Christmas, whatever, name. Anyway, so they're little squares, a little something different, I thought, instead of the round ones. And, you know, you see different shapes of these little letter beads, and it's a hole all the way through the middle, so you can string it on whatever you want. But I just thought that would be fun to use in my crafting, so I can't wait to try those out. And you get a whole bag full here. See how many of the whole alphabet. It's not numbers, it's just letters, which, you know, is cool. That's what I wanted. I had been looking at these, and I hadn't really figured out what I wanted, and I saw these little square ones, and I thought, well, those are really cute. I like the different shape other than round or oval or whatever the other shapes were that I've seen. So I went ahead and picked those up. So how I use these little flower beads right here in this journal so far is I put them on. This is a one signature journal, and you saw me in my video a few days ago working on the pages, so I have them sewn in now. I'm going to have a flip through probably maybe on Friday of this week. That's Christmas Eve. But here's the middle of this journal, and right here on the strings I put two of those. Everything's moving here. But I put two of these little beads. Let me see if I can show you here what charms. So I've got the sunflower here. I had to put a sunflower in here, and I thought I could picture this little butterfly landing on the sunflower. So cute. So I put a little butterfly right there too with it. So, and they just hang down, and super cute, right? Okay, so I wanted to show you how cute that was, because that's not really one of my demonstration videos, but and then you'll be seeing in my flip through. But I just wanted to show you one example of, I already used a couple. I couldn't wait to, because I'm pretty much finished with that journal, so I wanted to go ahead and put those in there and not wait for my video. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the little goodies I picked out this time. And they let me pick out goodies about, I'm going to say once every maybe 4 to 6 weeks I do a video, I think. So they get you your products pretty quickly, and you know, it's awesome. So thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to check out all the links below. Have a great day, and happy crafting.